So my name's Niamh Buckland, I'm 21 now. Last time I did this interview I was 20. I'm a PMA apprentice on Casualty in Cardiff Bay and Roadblock. At the minute we're just still learning, we're doing lots of bits and bobs, we're watching our coordinators do all their bits and bobs, we're booking trains, we're doing Wi-Fi codes for people, we chat with the cast that come in and out. And soon we'll be working on an episode ourselves, so there's me and Jess, and we'll be working on an episode ourselves, so that'll be really, really exciting. I think the most exciting thing I've done was I went down to set with Jess and we saw a scene. I can't talk about the scene because it's not obviously out, but we saw a scene which involved some very exciting things. I really can't talk about it, but like we saw some really cool things, and it was very cool to be in the actual set, like in the studio, and see everything going on. That was really, really exciting to see everything, and it was just felt, you could feel like the atmosphere of everyone working and stuff like that. Well, because we'll be going down to set hopefully from January. I'm hoping to like explore that a bit more. But also on Fridays we're doing script work, so we're making our own concepts for Casualty scripts. So I'd like to do more of that, more writing and more like exploring like the editorial side of things, and because I think that's where I got most experience, is like writing and directing and acting. So that's more my experience is writing and directing. So doing more writing, that would be really, really good. I'd really like that. But you know, once we're fully grasped on what PMAing is, then we'll explore that more. I really enjoy it. Like, I'm really organised, so whenever I get organising tasks, then that's very good. I really enjoy it. Yeah, definitely. I think like learning and having an educational side of things and also the practical side of things is really helpful. And obviously we don't come to skill very often, but when we do, it's like get your work done, you get everything sorted, and it's a nice, like, because I like learning, so being in a learning environment and then equally a practical environment majorly is really good for me. So I really enjoy coming back and then doing work and having a more like sit down focus, and then it does help like implant everything in your mind, like makes you realise what's going on, and keeps you like on track. I think definitely like being able to come back and forth. So. Yeah, definitely, because I didn't go to university, so like because I didn't go to uni, I applied for 3 years to do drama school, to do acting, because I thought that's only what I wanted to do was acting. I never really thought about it. And then when COVID happened, I went into writing and directing, because you couldn't go and do work, so you may as well make your own work. So I wrote all these films and I directed them and I acted them and we made them. One of them won an award, and then I got this apprenticeship after being in a National Youth Theatre Wales course. I was at the National Youth Theatre Wales course, and I got a call and I was like, they were like, oh yeah, it's the BBC, do you have a second to chat? And I was like, sure, like I'm right in the middle of a class, but sure. And then they told me I got it, and I was just like, I think it really made those years of trying for uni, like it kind of, what's the word, like kind of like balanced it out, because I tried for 3 years and it was so disheartening every year getting a no, and then I tried for something that is as big as the BBC, and then I got it, and it was really like fulfilling for me, and it really made me believe in like my skills, and whether that's in a managerial sense, like doing PMAing as opposed to acting. So no, I think if you're going for uni and it's not working, or you've started the degree and you don't like it, then obviously consider an apprenticeship. There's such a stigma around apprenticeships as well, where it's like, oh yeah, you're not going to get anything out of it at the end. But like I'm doing a lot of stuff for a 21-year-old, and I would be this age, 21, 22, just coming out of uni if I'd gotten into uni in the first year. So I'm doing a lot more with the apprenticeship, and it's more practical, and you're meeting loads of people and you're having a good time, and you're not constantly stressed with uni work and stuff. So I'd say definitely like consider it. I think it's really important to consider it.